Hi, this is a webinar on the import and export features in the Setup tab in the ThinkWave Solo Gradebook. First, click on the Setup tab. Down at the bottom, there's Import-Export Functions. This allows you to import your school data into the ThinkWave system, as well as exporting to a CSV format for offline backup purposes. Start by clicking on Import Students. You can specify which grade level this import applies to. You can also enroll students into previously created groups by marking the checkboxes here. In here, you can select your CSV or comma-separated values file here. If you have an Excel file with all of your student information, then you can export to a CSV file. There is a maximum of 250 students that can be imported at one time. If there is specific information that you have in the data that you want to be imported into the ThinkWave system, then you should create a custom field for that data before importing. For instance, if you have data in your field for your Excel file for date of birth, then go to the Students tab, then create a new custom field by clicking on the Customize button at the top right. Then New Custom Field, name it Date of Birth, and click Save. We go into more detail on custom fields in another video. Now go back to the Setup tab and click on Import Students again. Once you select the file, click Next. And here you have all the values that have been imported from the file. Here at the top pull-down, you can select the custom fields you just created, as well as any relevant field. You also have the option to skip the field if it's not data that you want to import. You must select the field before continuing. Click Next. Now you have the option to check over all the data that you are importing. You can select to skip the row by clicking on the checkbox on the left. You still have the option to change the data once it's been imported. Once you've confirmed all the data that you want imported, click Finish, and it will automatically import all of the data into the ThinkWave system. Now back to the Setup tab. And here's the export features. They allow you to keep an offline backup of all your data. Each one works the same. Click on Export Day Attendance, and it will automatically generate and download a text file that's actually a CSV file. You can export attendance by day, attendance by class, grades, and custom field data. And these are the features and the import and export features in the Setup tab in the ThinkWave Solo Gradebook. Thanks for watching.